Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So let's go straight into doing my skincare. So now I am using my makeup remover from Garnier and a cotton pad to remove my makeup. So beauties, this particular makeup remover, it is waterproof. Garnier, they have different types of makeup remover, but I love using this one, the waterproof one. I used to apply waterproof mascara on my eyes, or maybe matte lipstick, which is a little bit difficult for normal makeup remover to remove. So that is why I always stick to this particular one that is waterproof, okay, to remove the makeup. Then after that, I'm going to use my Lancome Meal and Mousse foaming cleansing makeup remover, and then my Clarisonic Mia 2 brush to cleanse my face. After removing the makeup, the next phase is cleansing. Okay, don't just remove your makeup and then call it a day. No, you have to move to the next routine, which is cleansing. So I am going in a circular motion, trying to remove whatever makeup that is left on my face. And then this circular motion also helps blood circulation on my face. Yeah, so you try to remove everything. We have to have a makeup-free face before going to sleep. Please don't try to sleep with your makeup. Then beauties, after that, the next is I'm going to use a mask, and I'm using my MAC Cosmetics Mineralize Reset and Revive Charcoal Mask. So this mask is infused with bamboo charcoal powder and a mineral-rich white clay to purify pores. I have large pores on my face, so it penetrates deeply and eliminates any impurities on my face. Yeah. So, and after applying it, I let it sit to 10 minutes. You can, you can stay 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but I love 10 minutes so I can get all the nutrients on it. So the next is I'm going to exfoliate my lips, and I'm using my MAC Cosmetics lip scrub. I wear a lot of matte lipstick. First, all the time I'm wearing matte lipstick, and it can make one's lips drying. So that is why I love exfoliating to remove any dead cells on my lips. So beauties, as you can see, the mask is dried. So it's time for me to wash it off and then move to the next skincare routine. So the next one is serum. So I am using this Snail Trucica serum. It helps to hydrate my skin, it softens my skin, and I noticed that my dark spots are fading away, which is very good and a plus point. Like always, I go in a circular motion to make sure that my skin gets all the nutrients in this serum. This serum is so good. It is a little bit pricey, but then it's worth the price. So good on my skin. So beauties, while doing that, don't forget your neck. And while massaging your neck, please massage it in upward. Don't massage down, because you are going to drag the muscles on your neck and then you'll start having wrinkles and stuff like that. Then the next one is under eye cream. I talk about this a lot here on my channel. Even outside my channel, I do tell my ladies, my beauties, the importance of under eye cream. It helps to prevent wrinkles, dark spots, aging under our eyes. This part of our eyes is very thin and sensitive, so we have to nurture and pamper our under eyes very well so that it will prevent us from looking older than our age. Okay, take care of your skin, beauties. Is very, very important. I started taking care of my skin, and I'm really loving the outcome. Okay, so the next is my lips. Yeah, so I am using my MAC Cosmetics Prep and Prime Lip Base to moisturize my face. After exfoliating, the lips look thirsty, so we have to, hydrate that lips. Okay, make sure that you're applying a lip gloss before going to bed. So the next is my moisturizer. So I am using my Clinique Hydrating Jelly to moisturize my face. It adds hydration at the same time moisturize my face. So I love using that. Yeah, I keep going in a circular motion, making sure that every part of my face is well moisturized and hydrated. So beauties, that is it for today's video. I just want to show you my quick makeup remover / nighttime skincare routine. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do beauties, please kindly give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And then I will get you all in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed till my next video. So bye bye, good night. Mwah.